talk about my favorite tree. It was an apple tree, and it was in my grandparents' garden. I used to like to play in the tree with my little sister. We built a tree house in its branches, and when we were sad or bored, had nothing to do, we climbed the tree and told stories, different stories. There was also a swing. I can say that we spent most of our time during the day in the tree. So that's my story. By the way, it still exists. Thank you.
Hi, I want to talk about the walnut tree of my grandparents. It was in their village, and it was a very strong and very old tree. Now we sold the house, and I miss my grandparents very much because they are not here. But when I see a walnut tree, I always say hello to them in my mind. Thank you.
I want to talk about the cherry tree. My grandfather was in agriculture, and he put off a cherry tree, and one side of this tree was with white cherries and the other one was with red cherries. And I took a great pleasure to climb up a tree to eat cherries, and they were the sweetest in my life. And to seem like a bird on the branch of this tree.
In my childhood, I also had a story about one special tree. It was wild walnuts in the garden of my grandparents. Every year in the summer, I go there and I climb on the tree, and my parents taught me that that I fell down, but that never happened, and that's one memory for my grandparents.
Здравейте са моя живот. Trees are my life. По-голяма част от детството, most of my childhood, съм прекарала сред природата на селото. I spent in the country. Гледайки всяко дърво, съчинявах своя история. As I was watching the trees, I created different stories. Така всяка история написах в книга, and every story I wrote in a book. И сега предадох на децата си. And now I give this opportunity to my children. Надявам се те да последват, and I hope that they will follow моите приключения и разкази, свързани с природата. My adventures and stories connected with nature.